This is Pip, and Pip has a very big dream. He wants to fly. So he tries. A little higher, a little faster. One more try. Oh. Wait a minute. Pip can't fly in the sky. But down here in the ocean, his flippers were made for something even better. Penguins use their powerful flippers like wings underwater. And Pip had found his very own underwater sky.